Hey there, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking for some really nice quality and durable crossbars for your Honda Pilot, check out Flykly. Their crossbars come with everything you need for proper installation, and each piece is clearly marked to make installation a cinch. The design is really aerodynamic and super sleek, and they can be adjusted to get the perfect fit for your Pilot. One thing we really loved was the double-sided Allen wrench tool. The long end good for setting the screw, and the short end helps tighten everything down properly. We love the look of our Pilot with the crossbars on it. They just kind of take it to a whole nother level of cool, and we can confidently start planning our summer kayak and biking trips knowing we can carry those heavy loads. We're extremely satisfied with these crossbars, and we're super excited to utilize these on our upcoming road trips and adventures, but that is our point of view.